names. In ERP's perspective, in mostly it is called user-defined field, user-defined table field. In Shopify, if we think, it is called Metafield. In other systems like in Salesforce, in Zoho, it is called custom field. But altogether, these are, in short, we can say that these are additional fields which is added within a system. And within these additional fields, organization, they add or they store their personalized data. Now, this personalized data can be related to items, can be related to customer, can be an identifier, can be a shipping code. But we know that in businesses, every organization has its own personalization, the personalized system. And that creates the biggest challenge in system integration. Because when you integrate systems, mapping default fields or standard fields of these source and target systems are easier. But these custom field mapping always create a big challenge, because mapping these custom fields often require a lot of customization development, which require bandwidth and which adds up the cost. So today we are going to showcase that how easily these custom fields, meta fields, additional fields, whatever we call it, can be very easily mapped through drag and drop data mapping, field mapping section within appse AI orchestration platform. So Kaushik, I know that you are working on these appse workflow orchestration platform. And here you have prepared an workflow to showcase this. But could you please describe that how easy this custom field mapping will be or currently is within appse platform?
Sure. Thanks, Shubhajit. So before explaining you the easiest way or how easier it is going to be when we are going to use appse, I would like to explain the complexity. Say, for example, in SAP, if you create a custom field, you will be creating like web ID, but that is not going to be exposed in the API. So, correct, yeah. As a normal person, it would be very difficult for you to find out that the custom field that I have created, which exactly the API property that I should get the value or I should set the value. Same for if you talk about Salesforce, it is going to add a _C for the meta field when you are creating. So for the layman perspective, I am talking about, they have a complexity to identify the specific field or specific attribute they have added as a custom field. Okay. Now I'll show you how easily you can do it in appse.
Correct. Yeah.
Let's first do one thing. Let's first open SAP B1 and let me add a new user-defined field. So what I'll do, as you can see, there is only one user-defined field that has been created. Now what I'll do, I'll add some additional user-defined field in the item. Okay. In the item header, I'm going to add, say for example, Zoho description. Zoho description. I think it will not accept the space. For the description, I can add space. So I'll add space here and let the link.
You need to add N within the description section.
I think, yeah, yes, true. Thanks. Let me add the length as 100 and it's done. So before updating the database, let me check in the appse. If I go and check in the appse, is this field available at this point? Zoho, there is no field, right?
No such fields, yes.
Okay. Now see the magic. I'm going to add this field in item and then okay. Then if I go and open the item master data, as you can see, this field is there. Okay. And let me execute this flow once again. See, it's there.
UDF Zoho description. Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, how it is going to be useful? Say, for example, I'm creating a new product here. Let me have some product description from my gem. Product, new one. It's a master data generator actually.
Correct. You're generating test data.
Yes. So what I'll do, I'll go and create this item, new item, ITM002. The short description is there. And in the Zoho description, I'll add some part of this one. Okay. So
was it 100 character or is it 100 words?
100 words, characters. Yeah. So it took 100 characters. Okay. Now I'm going to add this. Okay. What I'll do, I'll also add the price. Oh, I'm sorry.
As find.
Fine. So this is the item that I have just added. And now I'll also set the price for the price list one is 120. Okay. Now update. So my data is set. Now if I go back to appse and if I execute this flow once again, what will happen?
But you have not mapped the user defined field.
I'll map. Now I'll just I'll show you how it is retrieving the data, and after that I'll map. Okay. Now what I have done, I have opened the item 001 and I have added just some descriptions. Okay. Now I have updated it. Okay. Now let's go back to appse and let me execute this flow. So I have executed. If you can remember, last time it was blank, right? Null. The Zoho description.
Yeah, before mapping.
Mapping. Now let me check. Zoho. See, the description is here. Okay. Now what I can do, I can simply open the Zoho node. Okay. And I can go to the configuration and there I can add the description.
So here you are mapping the Zoho field. So Zoho field here is a default field.
Yes.
Description is a default field.
Yes.
And you are mapping it with a custom field of SAP.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. So I will add the description and I will drag the Zoho and see how simple it to find out. Just like that. That's it.
So the mapping is complete.
Yes. Mapping is complete.
So is there any limitation on how many fields you can map additional fields in this way?
There is no limit.
Okay.
As many fields as you want, you can add. Okay. Now I'll continue. So this is how it works.
This is how we can do.
We can
for any
do the mapping.
user who wish to do workflow creation, they can add custom field in source platform or in destination platform. And they can map these custom fields on the go while they are designing the workflow.
Okay. So basically, you do not require any expert to map your integration. It's
and
completely you can do it.
Finding out the workflow, the UDF or the custom field is also easier.
Very
because
easy.
There is a search feature which is given.
Yes.
I think that's all we have to share for today. And thanks, Kaushik, for your time. And I believe the audience, the viewers, they get an idea that how easily they can map the custom fields, user-defined fields through appse during their workflow design. So stay tuned for more such informative videos that we will come up in the future episodes of Unmuted Friday. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.